iron 3, hexacyanidopherrate 2. So how to identify the formula of the compound? First step, identify the metals present in this complex. Okay, here there is iron, a metal which is there, another metal is there, ferrate. Ferrum means iron. Okay, so there are two metals. So we have to identify which is the central metal atom. So if the metal names end with ATE, then it should be the central metal atom. Like if it is copper, cuprate. If it is iron, ferrate. Platinate. Platinum means platinate. So the metal name which ends with the ATE is the central metal atom. So in coordination compound, there will be two things which is present inside the coordination sphere. This is called as coordination sphere. They are central metal atom and the ligand. So here the ligand is cyanido. So central metal atom ferrate, because its name is ending with the ATE, so obviously it should be the central metal atom. So inside the coordination sphere, central metal atom and ligand, ferrate means iron, ligand should be there. So ligand is cyanido, hexacyanidо, hexa means 6. So cyanido formula Cn, since it is hexacyanidо, Cn 6 times. Okay, iron. Here another ion is there. This is also a cation. Actually, this is a cation. So the ion formula Fe we should write. You should write at first because it comes first, so it should be written at first. So now, how to identify the other numbers here? Now, here this ion valency is given as 3. So for this ion, the valency is 3. For this ion ferrate, inside the coordination sphere, that ion valency is given as 2. The overall charge should be 0, right? Then only the complex is found to be a neutral one, correct one. Okay, neutral one. So cyanido valency -1. So there are 6 cyanido. So -1 into 6, it will become -6. So when you calculate out, so coordination compound will split up into the ion which is present before or after the coordination sphere. So this is coordination sphere. So before coordination sphere, this is ion, the remaining part. It will split up like that. So coordination sphere plus the ion which is present before the coordination sphere, or the case where, say for example this case, CrH2O 6 times Cl3. This is another coordination complex. This will split up into coordination sphere and this counter ion. The ion which is present outside the coordination sphere or after the coordination sphere. Here it will split up into this ion and the this part, coordination sphere. So this ion valency 3. So you have got 3. Then what about this case here? It is +2. Here it is -6. So when you combine, you will get -4. So here +3 is there. Here 4 is there. -4 is there. So how to write the formula? If you see in 6 times. So here it is 3. For this ion it is 3. For this overall coordination sphere it is 4. You don't want charge, only the number. So when you cross multiply, it will become Fe. This 4 will come over here. Fe4. This 3 will go outside the coordination sphere. FeCN 6 times thrice. Now when you calculate, the overall charge should be 0. So here ion, it is, normally we have seen this ion valency 3. So 3 into 4, 12 plus 12. For this ion ferrate, the valency is given as 2. So in the question itself it will be given. So +2. For this cyanido -1, since there are 6 cyanido, so -6. So -6. For this outside the sphere, 3 is there. Okay, so this is +12. So -4 into 3. So +12 -12. Overall charge 0. So this is the formula of the compound. This one is the formula of the compound. Fe4, FeCN 6 times thrice.